Hi, Accelerated Algebra 2. This is worksheet 9L. I'm going to work out all the problems. Most of these are done with a graphing calculator, so if you have one, do it. I'm sorry, I don't have the emulator on my screen, so I'll just talk through the keys I'm hitting. So first one, you just hit log 125, and come up with 2.09. Actually, it comes out to 2.096, like that, but you want to go to the thousands, which is here, which then rounds the whole thing to 2.100, which is pretty dirty secret. So natural log of 76 is 4.331. Log of 0.12344 is negative 3.357. And then 3 natural log 12, you can just go 3 times ln 12. Make sure you close the parentheses. So I get 7.5 or 455. And then 6 raised to the 8th. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 6, and the caret key is to make it an exponent is right above the division. It looks like a little arrow upward. 6 raised to the log 8 comes out to 5.04. 44. And natural log square root, so this will work. So do natural log, find your square root key, which is your x squared key, the second of that, which is diagonal left of the 7 of 34. And then, okay, 1.763. This one does not exist because it's a negative log. Natural log, and it should open up with parentheses, so go 2 divided by 31, and make sure you close your parentheses after that. We come to this. Okay. Hope you're all doing well. Log 4 just comes up to 0.602. Log 40, 1.602. Log 4,000, so you might start seeing a trend on this for 40,000. So 4.602, and then log of 0.004, negative 2.3, actually becomes 2.3979, which comes rounds to negative 2.40, another dirty trick. 2 natural log 4, 2.273, natural log 16, 2.773. So same answer. Remember, if you'd move that up, you'd get 4 squared, 16. This is also going to be the same. So put this together, it's going to give me natural log of 16. So it's 2.73. And then get 1 divided by. And then this one comes out to, this is the reciprocal of what we just had. So that should be a 1. So just 1 over that. All right, use your calculator. You may need to rewrite it first. Well, this one's just log 149, so just plug that directly into your calculator. So 2.173, natural log 21.9, 3.086. For this problem, we have to work it out a little bit more. I'll change color, so I'm going to change it. I have this. 8431. Go ahead and do the math on that. So 1.3 minus log 8431, and then divide that answer by the negative 2. So x equals 1.313. This one, I'm going to go natural log of 322, put that in parentheses, and then add 2 to that. And then divide it by 3. All right, so for this next one, we have to realize we have to shift it back. So I might change it to look like this. Remember, that's going to be a base 10 around there. So I'm going to get 10 raised to the 3.4 is equal to x. So 10 caret 3.4. So that comes out to 2511.886. On this one, I'm going to make each side e raised to the. So that's going to give me 2x is equal to e to the third. So let's figure out what e to the third is. So remember that is second ln. Divide that by 2. So I'm going to get x equals 10.04. For this problem, I could do it a couple ways. So I'm going to remember there's a 10 there. So 10 to the 1.3 is equal to x minus 3. So 10 raised to the, so 10 caret 1.3. And then add 3 to that, because add 3 to both sides. So that would come out to x equals 22.953. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and do log of both sides. So that's going to give me x equals log 0.167 and do log 1.6 or 0.167. So that's going to give me x equals 0.777. Because it's e, I'm going to do natural log of both sides. So I'm going to get x equals natural log of 14.3. Which is 2.660. This one, I'm going to snail this around to get that. So that's going to give me log base 10 of 378 equals negative x plus 2. So log base 10 is fine, which is just going to be log of 378, because remember, log by itself and log base 10 means the same thing. So that gives me 2.577. Subtract 2 from that. And then multiply by negative 1. So I get x equals negative 0.577. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. So if I add 4 to both sides, that gives me a 7. Divide by 5, so I get 7 over 5. Then I get natural log of x plus 2 equals. So I'm going to go e to both sides, because e undoes that. Make sure this is in parentheses. So I'm going to get x plus 2 equals e to the 7 over 5. So second of natural log, and then put that in parentheses, 7 divided by 5, which comes out to 4.055. Subtract 2. This one I'm going to subtract 7 first. Natural log both sides because we're using e, so I get 3x minus 2 equals, oh, that should be a 39. Or that is a 32, sorry. Natural log 32 is 3.465. So add 2, divide by 3. So I get x is equal to 1.822. And next page. We're going to use the change of base. So some of you might have the change base under calculator, which is under math. The math button is underneath the second, the alpha, there's math. And letter A is log base. So some of you might have that. If you don't, then just do log 88 over log 7. And it comes out the same answer. So I get 2.301. And then so this one, same thing. So 3, and then 111. So that gives me 4.287. .512. Negative 4.585. And I'm just plugging these in quickly into my calculator. Zoom me if you need help on this, and I can totally help you. 2.934 log 7.5, so 0.12345545 negative 6.110. One point oh one nine. Two 2.807. Cool. I would. What is? I would skip this one. I would skip this one, and then solve for x. So I'm gonna do log of both sides. So I'm gonna get 2x equals log 50. So log 50 divided by 2 is x equals 0.849. That's a 4. Sorry about that. This one I'm going to log both sides again. So I'm going to get x plus 2 that comes down front, and then I get log 6 equals log 2.5. So I'm going to go log 2.5 divided by, divided by log 6, and then subtract 2 from that. 490. This one I'm going to do log both sides. So I get, this is going to be done the same way. So I'm going to get log 3, and then out in front is 2x minus 1 equals log 5. So I'm going to go log 5 divided by log 3, add 1, and then divide by 2. This one I'll do log of both sides as well. Log 206. Okay, so I'm going to go log 206 divided by log 7 divided by 4 to get the x by itself. Divide each side by 5 on this one first, so I get that. Natural log of both sides then. So x equals natural log of 4, 1.386. This one I'll divide both sides by 4 first. So I get this. Natural log of both sides. So the 3x comes down by itself. ln3 is 1.099. Divide that by 3. So I get x equals 0.366. This one I'm divide each side by 6 first, so I get natural log of x equals 5. E to both sides, e raised to the e raised to the. So x equals e to the 5th, whatever that comes out to. So it's 148.413. So this one, add 14 to both sides, so I get 28 divided by 4 is 4, so natural log of both sides. So I'm going to get natural log 4, divide that by 7. So I'm going to get x is equal to 0.198. And we're all done. Yay. Remember, 720-273-8859. Text me, and we could set up a Zoom if you want me to go over better details with you. Have a great day. Take care of one another.